안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Aehobak. Have you ever seen Aehobak before? Aehobak, A means baby and Hobak means pumpkin. So this one in Singapore now quite pricey. So I don't make it that often, but today is a special. My daughter finished all exams. So I bought pumpkin for the special dinner tonight. Okay, let's get started. So this one is Aehobak, right? So this one is different from the zucchini. Flavor is different. So if you have a chance to get this pumpkin, please try it out. Give it a try. And what else we need? We need a green chili, and also we need a garlic. And I'm going to use this dry anchovy for soup, 삼열치, 미보시 in Japanese. So you can find this one from the Asian grocery stores. Yeah, and the seasonings, and we need the water for the soup. And we need the soya sauce. This one called kanjang. Kuk means soup. Kanjang means soya sauce. So this soya sauce is especially for the soup. This one is saltier than normal soya sauce. So you need to be careful when you add the soya sauce into the dishes. And I'm gonna use the 참기름, sesame oil. If possible, please use the Korean sesame oil because compared to the Chinese sesame oil, flavors are different. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started. So step one, this one is a dry anchovy. I show you earlier. So I'm gonna prepare this one. Today we are going to use about 35 grams, this. And you can use as it is, but I want to have the soup. I prefer the soup taste clearer. So I'm going to remove the guts and head of this dry anchovy. So just simple. It's easy, very simple, just remove. If you use as it is with the head and gut, right, the soup taste will be a bit bitter. So better to remove them. So I remove the head and gut. We are going to cut Aehobak, Korean pumpkin. So this one I'm going to cut into half. This is Aehobak. About 2 centimeters. Just cut. Okay, so Aehobak is ready. So put it here at the side. And one more thing, I'm going to cut this green chili. If you add green chili into the soup will be very refreshing, hint of spiciness. But if you can't take spicy, that kind of the hint, the flavor, you can omit this green chili. And if possible, I highly recommend using the Korean green chili called the Cheongyang-gochu. That's the best. So now we are going to cook Aehobak in a pot. So before you start, make sure you have everything with you. The 참기름 and soya sauce for the soup and water. Make sure everything is ready. Add the sesame oil, turn on the heat. Then I'm going to add Korean pumpkin. Mix well. Coat the Aehobak with the sesame oil. Now it's a medium-high heat here. And then well coated the Aehobak. I'm going to add dry anchovies here. Add the dry anchovy and then mix again. Oops, someone jumped out. Please stay in the pot. Here, prepare soya sauce and water. Don't get the water after you pour in the soya sauce. You make the soup burn, okay? So let's start. Add the soya sauce. Mix. Okay, then going to add the water. Pour in water. And bring to a boil. You see the bubbles and the impurities on the surface, and remove the impurities. these steps make the soup clearer. So once you remove the impurities on the surface, you can cover the lid maybe for about 2 to 3 minutes. Simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. About 2 minutes passed. Let's check. Okay, beautiful. So here I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add the green chilli. And then you taste. If not good enough, you can adjust with salt. So let me try. Perfect. Very colorful, right? I want to deliver this flavor aroma of the Aehobak and chili, anchovy, and soya sauce, garlic. Wow, and the sesame oil. It's beautiful harmony. Wow. This Aehobak is really refreshing and savory. If you can find this Aehobak in the Korean grocery shops, please give it a try. I'm sure you will like it and very healthy. Aehobak, we can use Aehobak to make other dishes like Aehobak pancakes, Aehobak jeon, Aehobak stir-fried Aehobak as a side dish. There are many Aehobak dishes, so I'm going to share my recipes later on. So please stay tuned. Today, I shared the recipe how to make the Aehobak Korean pumpkin soup. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like or comment. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.